Okay, here we are looking at the sociology assignment. Now please don't be intimidated by the table of contents. Remember, we're not in a classroom, so I'm providing you with a lot of resources that will help you do the assignment in both part 1 and part 2. Now this part here is just looking at the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is doing a research piece. And it's a lightweight research. It really just asks you to pick a topic and tell me why it's important. Focus on something around sociology, Canadian society, what influences people or how do people influence groups. You can look at any topic related to what we'll be covering in this class. You can check your textbook out, and I'll post some topic possibilities in week 1 folder. So the first thing is, what's your topic? Why is it important to you, or why is it important to Canadian society, and how will it impact you, or how will it impact your career potential? But also, what are your 2 pieces of research? Find research, 2 pieces. I would use the library resources, and you do a summary of it. I don't want any eye language, I don't want your opinion, and I don't want quotes. I want a summary, which means you've read the research and you've summarized it in your own words. Okay? Now you may not be familiar with that process, so I've included in later pages what that will look like and how to do that. Now this page here, what you're looking at now is just looking at a brief framework of how to do the assignment and a graphic look of what's to be done and some cue questions to help you do it. In it, as well as the due date. That date is the same date to hand in the second part of the same assignment. So both parts, part 1 and part 2, get handed in together on the same date. When I say handed in, I mean posted. Posted as a PDF in your journal. Now the next page, what we're looking at is a sample. What does a summary look like? Now this might be a little longer. It's about a page, and you just need to do about a half to 3/4 of a page. But if you do a page, that's fine. And then what you're seeing now is a rubrics, how to gain the mark. And what you're noticing is the highest gained marks are based on in your own words. No quotes, no eye language, no opinion. Okay, so you're just trying to capture the author's perspective, their main points. Now, in order to help you with that, I've created a summary, how to do a summary, and the steps. And so the next 2 pages really are looking at the different stages and steps of doing a good summary. Now, I know you may not feel you want to do this many steps, and I hope that you'll do them, because it'll increase your likelihood of doing a comprehensive, positive summary, which gains the most marks. Now, part 2 of the assignment is making a video. Now, I've put in here a link to get Jing. It's from TechSmith. It's a software that screen records your computer. So if you're building a PowerPoint slide presentation, you can play the presentation on your computer, plug a microphone in, and narrate your presentation. It records both the audio and the video and saves it as a video for me. Now it has a 5-minute limit, and in this video, whatever video you make, you need to make it about 5 minutes. Now you can use your cell phone, you can use your iPad or tablet, any other method to create a song, role play, a presentation that someone's videoed of you. I'm open to your creativity. The next page is just looking at the rubrics, how are things going to be marked. And the 2 things I want to highlight, creativity. Please don't give me PowerPoints full of just text box, text box, text box. Come up with creative ways to deliver your message in a graphic or animated way. Don't necessarily settle to do a screen recording. Don't necessarily settle to do just PowerPoint. Come up with some creative ways to deliver your message. Your message needs to include what your topic is, why is it important, a summary of your 2 pieces of research, and a practical use for this information that you've researched. Then the other point I want to bring out is at the bottom of that rubrics is please don't read. Do what you can to become familiar with the material. You might have to practice a little bit, and that's okay. And then present it with some inflection in your voice, some enthusiasm, like you've enjoyed the topic. Okay, now I hope this has been helpful. Please stop me in the hall and ask me or email me if you've got questions, but please read the assignment completely first before you start asking me questions. Okay? I hope this helps. I look forward to meeting everybody.